Good day everyone. In our today's class, we are going to look at this question under velocity time graph. In the question we are asked to calculate distance, that is the total distance covered by the object. Now, how to do this? Solution. Let's firstly name the image, the graph given to us. We have this place to be, let's name this to be A, this is B, this is C, this is D, and this is E. Now, what we are going to do, let's firstly remove the part of A, B, C, then E. In that regard, we'll be having that to be this. We're having this place to be C. We're having this place to be E. We're having this to be A and B. Between A and B, all that we have here indicates velocity, while all that we have here indicates what? Time, because it is a velocity time graph. And between A and B, we have zero, ranges from what? 0 to 2, maximum of 2. That means we have 2 here in meter per seconds. Now, in meter per seconds, look at this, between C and E, we have maximum of what? 12. We have this to be 12. Still in what? Meter per seconds. Now, between A and E, we have what we call ranges from 0 to 4. That's what? That's 4 in what? In seconds. Now, if you look at this shape very well, in order to calculate the distance we are asked to calculate, we are going to calculate the total area covered by the object in the motion. Now, if you look at this, we've removed this side, right? This side is a triangle. It's a right angle triangle. While this side, if you look at it very well, you will see that this is an half trapezium. We'll solve this question with two different methods. This is an half trapezium. Now, since this is an half trapezium, it means we can use trapezium formula to calculate the area of this figure. In that regard, we'll be having that to be area of trapezium is equal to 1 over 2 A plus B into height. What's the height here in this question? We have this to be, the height here indicates this. Then the A here is your 2, while the B is your 12. So we have this to be 2 plus 12 times what? 4. We have this to be 1 over 2 times this, 1 over 2 times 14 times 4, and that will give us 2 here, 2. That will be 14 times 2, and that's going to give us 28 in what? In meter square. Now, come back to this. We've treated this, right? We've treated this, remain this. Also, Also, we have the second figure to be this, and that's going to give us C, then E, then what? D. Here we have between C and E, we have it to be what? 12. And we have between this and E and D, remember that from here to here is 4. Then from here to here is 9. You remove this 4 from this to know from here to here. That means if from here to here is 4, then from here to here is 9. We can do it this way, that is AD is equal to AE plus ED. So is ED that we are looking for. Our ED is equal to AD minus AE. If you take this to this side, then you are going to have, what's your AD? Your AD is 9 minus your AE is 4, and that's going to give you what? 5 in seconds. Remember, that's in seconds. Now, this place is what? 5. Are you getting my point? That place is 5. Now, to calculate the area of this is half AH. And that's going to be, this is your A, then this is your H. Now, you are going to have this to be 5 times 12. This will cancel this, we have 6. And that's going to give you 30 in meter square. Now, therefore the distance is equal to the area of the shape A. Let's tag the shape to be figure 1 and figure 2. So will be the area of the distance is equal to area of figure 1 plus area of figure 2. Therefore, you are going to have that to be, area of figure 1 is what? 28 plus that of 2, that's 30, abi. That's going to give us 58 in meter square. Now, if you are not doing it that using this, you can also make use of this simple method. Let me just rule this place like this. You can also make use of this method here. This place, if you look at this shape very well, I can decide to close this place from here to here. Let me write it out the way it is in this figure. Now, we are going to have it to be something of this nature. You get it now, don't worry. You have something of this, right? Remember, this place is your A, this place is your B, this is 2, this is 0. Why? This is what? 4, and it's your what? E. And this is your C. If I join this place, I can join this place to this place. Then I'll be having this to be, let me just give this to be Z. Remember, between A and B, we have 2. Therefore, between E and Z, we also have 2. This is a rectangle now. This is a square. This is a rectangle. Are you getting what I'm saying? Now, this place, between this place and this place is what? Is 4. Why this place and this place? Therefore, from the above, comma, AB. AB is what? 2. And is also equal to your EZ. Do you get the point? And that's equal to what? 2. Now remember that your AE also, your AE is also equal to your BZ, and that's equal to what? 4. Now remember that your CE is 12. So from here to here is 12. 12. Now if from here to here is 2, that means this place will be what? 10. Take note of that. That place will be 10. Now, therefore, what you are going to do now, you find the area of this one first. The area of this shape. Area of shape. Let's call it shape 1. Shape 1 is equal to length times breadth, and that's equal to what? 2 times 4. 2, then what? 4, and that's going to give us 8 meters square. Now let's calculate the area of this upper one. Therefore, we are going to have it to be, this is right angle triangle. We are going to have this to be, let's call this shape 2. Area of shape 2. That will give us 1/2 HAH, and that's going to be what? What's your A? That's between this place to this place is your A. That's BZ is your A, and that's going to be what? 4. Remember, 4 times your what? Your H is what? From here to here, and that's 10. This is what? 2, and this is going to give you 20. 2 times 10 is going to give you 20. Now this shape now what you are going to do, you've calculated all this now, the total area of this, the whole of this now, total area of image 1, total area of image 1 is equal to the area of shape 1 plus area of shape 2, and that's going to give you, area of shape 1 is 8 plus that of 2, that's 20, and that's going to give you 28 in meter square. Remember, what you just do here is just to add, you've calculated for this, all this that you are doing is just to sort this, then you already calculated for this side here to be what? To be 30. Remember, you calculated this side to be 30. Just add your 30 to this, then you are going to have the area, the total distance for the journey, total distance for the whole journey, is equal to 28 plus 30, and that's going to give you 58 meters square. So if you use this and if you use this, it's still the same thing. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. I appreciate.